St. Petersburg Pediatrics has been in primary care pediatrics and ingrained in the community for over 35 years. And today, Dr. Jana Rango joins us with more on when parents should take their child for a well visit. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy to have you here this morning.
Thank you.
So we were kind of chatting earlier. I've got little ones at home. I know kind of the process of well visits. I feel like I'm going every other day. They're so important, though. When are children supposed to have those well visits? We're going to talk about kind of the age ranges, but it starts early.
We start seeing kids right after birth and before 1 month of age, 2 months, 4, 6, 9 months, 12, 15 months, 18 months, 2 years, and pretty much every year after that till they're 18 years of age.
So, and it's interesting, what goes on in a well visit? I mean, is it the same at most doctors' offices? I mean, what is it that you guys are looking for and want to make sure that both mom and dad are doing correctly and that baby's doing good as well?
We follow the American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines, and in a well visit, we start off with an interval history. We do a complete physical. There's screening tests like vision and hearing. Sometimes lab work can be done in the office, and if not, lab work can be recommended outside the office. In addition to a complete physical, developmental assessment, psychosocial assessment, we also then do end with questions that the parent may have regarding their specific issues and anticipatory guidance for the next visit.
Yeah, and I always feel like I had a long list of questions. It was funny. I was like, do you recommend, parents write down those questions? Because I know with some of these visits, there is a lot to talk about and a lot to ask. Sometimes we forget about things about maybe what we should be asking about.
Absolutely, and most parents do come in with a list of questions, and we're happy to answer them.
And it's interesting, too. So my oldest is turning she's going to be 4 here soon. You were saying the elementary school age, because I was thinking, I thought parents were required to do these because they are so important. You were saying that elementary school age, though, a couple years could go by and parents could be forgetting to do this, to have this well visit check.
After the kindergarten entry shot, sometimes there really isn't a specific reason that they think they have to come in again until 7th grade when shots again are required. But we really do recommend, as the American Academy of Pediatrics does, an exam every year until they're 18.
Okay, all right. So again, every year. So after kindergarten, then it's once a year up until
age 18.
Age 18. All right. Well, we talked about St. Petersburg Pediatrics, and of course, they've been around for 35 years or more than. Why do you think St. Petersburg Pediatrics is a great place to maybe, if you are looking for a pediatrician at home, why your office?
Well, we have many locations. We have 11 locations, multiple providers. We have same-day appointments. We have the ability to take pretty much most private insurance plans and also Medicaid plans, and we just provide a large amount of accessibility and for families.
Yeah, well, and it's so important too. You're talking about those well visit, appointments. A lot, from what I understand, insurance companies, they like you to have those. A lot of times they are covered because they can, help you in the long run.
Absolutely, it's preventative medical care, and it is all covered by your insurance company.
All right, well, doctors, we kind of wrap up. What's your take home for parents if they're watching this morning and they think, uh-oh, I may have forgotten my well visit, or
just give us a call and we'll let you know if you need to come in.
All right, doctor, thank you so much for being here this morning. Thank you for all that you do for families here in the Bay Area. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
I always learn more. All right, there is the information there. If you have any questions, make sure to call, and we will also put the information on our website, which is tbmorningblend.com.